Good morning, guys. Here we've got Yoga Smart Tab, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select users and accounts, and tap on plus icon, which is for add account. Select Google, and now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address, and then click on next. Now it is time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. Okay, so let me re-enter it as I provided the old one. Okay, so now it should work properly. Tap on next. Here you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, Privacy Policy, then tap on I agree. Here just customize all the Google features, and that's it. As you can see, the account is added, you can smoothly use it, and when you want to remove some particular Google account, just mark it and then select remove account and confirm it right here. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.